how to use VPN application here, like a pro. So make sure you watch full video. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Pretty much the on-screen application, very easy layout. So here you have the fastest server option. Let's tap on that, and this is where pretty much we'll see all these servers. So you have sections here. You can see the streaming servers, and as well the gaming servers as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the server with the crown icons, those servers will need premium subscription for you to use. So you can tap on the premium option here. We can see their premium subscription and pretty much their prices. And also you do get a 3 days free trial, so you can test out their premium servers and everything. So very easy VPN to use. So the ones without the premium subscription are pretty much the free servers which you'll be able to use. So let's say, for example, you want to use the United States, you can tap on that option. We'll ask for connection request, tap on OK. We'll be connected in no time. So very easy VPN application to use. And if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. I would glad to help you out, and I will see you guys in the next one.